Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be doing my makeup, and this makeup look is going to be for the Shein wig that I'm wearing, which I already posted. First I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face using my Nivea cream as usual. Now I'm going to go straight in with some concealer and apply it onto my eyelid because, as you guys can see, I already did my brows off camera, so I wouldn't have to do it now. To blend out the concealer, I'm using my Morphe M173 brush. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Huda Beauty setting powder to set the concealer. For my shadow today, this is the palette I'm going to be using. It's called the Zulu by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start off with this shade right here that I'm pointing at. So I'm using this shade as my transitioning color, and so I'm going to apply it, blend it in, and I'm going to keep dipping it into the palette and blend it some more until it builds up to how I actually likes it. Before I go any further with the makeup, guys, I want to introduce to you these two perfumes that I got from this company called Dozier. Here's a look inside the box. It says iconic scent, designer quality, no markups. So since you guys cannot smell it for yourself, I'm gonna go ahead and try it, smell it, and tell y'all what I think about it, and hopefully you could take my word for it. So here's the first one that I'm going to try for you guys. It's called Floral Lavender, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it onto the back of my hand, sniff it a little bit, and tell y'all what I think about it. So I am a lover of lavender or anything floral, so as you can see here, guys, I was really enjoying the scent of it. And I had like two people watching me sniff this thing or trying it. So, I was giving them my honest opinion while I was recording. So yeah, this one definitely is a must. Also, after closing it, I realized that the cover is magnetic, so it just goes right on as soon as you put it right over it. And that's what I was doing, just playing around with it. So we're going to go ahead and try the second one. So here's the second one, guys, and this one is called Powdery Hawthorn. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray this one on my other hand, on the back of my other hand, and tell y'all what I think about it. So as soon as I sprayed on my hand, I sniff it, and that was a bad idea. That thing went up in my nose like crazy, and I was like, ouch. But anyway, I sniff it again, and I wasn't like a big fan of it like I was with the first one, just because I think I fell in love with the first one. So I did try it a second time, and I tried before the other one, and I was very much in love with it. And that's just my honest opinion. So there you go, guys. If you like their perfume, or if you think it will be something you want to add to your perfume collection, I think you should go for it because they have some really nice scent. This is actually my fourth bottle from them, and I like the first two I had before. Okay, guys, so we're moving back into the eyeshadow, and we're gonna be using this orangey one right here that y'all see me point at just now, and I'm gonna apply it onto the corner of my eye and blend it inward. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go into another palette I have. This one is called the Warrior by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this gold glitter one right here on the bottom, and I'm gonna apply it onto like the middle part of my eye, going towards the inner corner. So I'm basically just gonna be adding it where I haven't added any shadow yet. So as you can see right there, that's what I'm doing. So after this, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some liner and lashes off camera, and then I'll be back. To prime my face today, I'm gonna be using this primer from Il Makiage. I absolutely love this stuff. The foundation I'm using today is also from Il Makiage. To apply my foundation, I'm going to be using a brush that is also from Il Makiage, and I'm going to slightly wet it with my Il Makiage setting spray. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer under my eyes, my nose bridge, the tip of my nose, my cheekbone, and so on. And I'm using the same concealer which I used earlier on my eyelids. And to blend it out, I'm using the same brush from earlier. Now I'm setting my concealer using the same setting powder from earlier from Huda Beauty. Now I'm applying some contour with my contour stick from Fenty Beauty. This one is darker than the one I usually use, so I don't use it on my nose. I do use it actually on my chin, but I don't use it on my nose because of how dark it is. I cannot find the one that I usually use. I also use it on my forehead at times, but that's about it. The only place I really don't use it is my nose. I use my bronzer for that. The bronzer I'm using today is from Morphe, and this is the bronzer I use all the time. I have two different shades, and this one I believe is a darker shade that I'm using. And I like to apply it onto my nose and bring it up under my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to go in with blush, and this one is from Il Makiage. Now I'm going to go in with some highlighter, and this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and this is just a regular brown eyeliner pencil or lip pencil. I'm not even sure which one it is, but I usually use them wherever, you know what I'm saying? Eyeliner on the lip, lip liner on the eye, whatever works for me. So yeah, I'm just lining my lips right now before I apply my lipstick. The lipstick I'm going to be using today is this nude one here from NYX. I'm also applying some lip gloss on top of that lipstick, and the reason why you see me applying it like this is because I don't want to rub it on. I just want to dab it in places and then, you know, kind of get it everywhere but still not rub it in, just dab it on. To set my face, I'm gonna go in with my setting spray from Il Makiage. And then I usually use my makeup fan or my small fan that I have here and dry it down. Now I'm gonna change into my outfit, and for top I'm wearing this one from Shein. As for my pants, because I never stand up in the video, I did not, you know, show what pants I was wearing, but this is the top that I'm gonna be wearing today. Now that my outfit is complete, I'm adding some of that perfume from Dozier, and this was the first one that I tried that I really love so much, so I knew I had to, you know, put some on. And this completes the look, guys. The makeup, the hair, the outfit, everything. The earrings I'm wearing, I don't remember where I got them from, but if I should guess, I would say Rainbow, because I really love their jewelry so much. I got so much of my jewelry from them. Again, guys, the wig is from Shein, and I do have a video up for it, so I will link that in the description box just in case you guys want to check it out. I actually really do like their wigs. I did not know I would, but I like this one. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And also, if this is your first time on my channel, why not subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.